Good morning, students. Yes, in last lecture we have discussed projectile motion. What is projectile motion? What is equation of projectile motion? And yes, its path, it is parabolic. Okay, now in projectile motion we'll have to study four cases, means four definitions. Okay, four terms related to projectile motion. First of all, we will take a particle, projectile motion. Okay, suppose x axis, y axis, origin, a particle is thrown from this point, it is performing projectile motion. Its initial velocity v0 makes angle theta 0 with x axis. Clear about this? Yes, it is our initial condition. Initial velocity is v0 and angle of projection is theta 0 from origin. X axis and y axis. Yes, at time t, what are equations? Okay, at time t is equal to t. Yes, you have to remember four equations. X is equal to v0 cos theta 0 t, equation number 1. Y is equal to v0 sin theta 0 t minus half gt square, equation number 2. Vx is equal to v0 cos theta 0, equation number 3. Vy is equal to v0 sin theta 0 t, sorry, v is equal to v0 sin theta 0 minus g, equation number 4. Yes, you have to remember this 1, 2, 3 and 4 equations. Okay, yes, with the help of equation number 1 and 2, in last lecture we have obtained equation of projectile motion. Okay, now today in this lecture we will study four terms related to projectile motion. First, time to reach maximum height. Second, maximum height. Third, time of flight. And fourth one is range. Fourth one is range. Okay, so yes, we will study this each and every term one by one. See, first thing, how to find it. First, time to reach maximum height. Time to reach maximum height. Time to reach maximum height. It is denoted by Tm. It is denoted by Tm. Time to reach maximum height is denoted by Tm. Now, what is maximum height? See here. If particle is here, then its height is 0. If particle is here, then yes, it is its height. If particle is here, its height increases. If particle is here, its height increases. If particle is here, its height increases. And after that, yes, its height decreases. So yes, we can say it is point having maximum height. It is point having maximum height. Okay, see, height means it is nothing but value of y coordinate. Height means nothing but value of y coordinate. Okay, so yes, first thing you have to find, that is time to reach maximum height. It is point of maximum height. It is point of maximum height. So how to find this time? Okay, you must be given some condition. Yes, we have one condition. Remember last lecture. At each and every point, direction of velocity is in direction of tangent at that point on its path. At that point on its path. So if it is point of maximum height, at this point I draw tangent, then its velocity is in this direction. Yes or no? Velocity in this direction means, yes, we know in last lecture Vx is equal to V0x. Okay, at maximum height, y component of velocity is 0. Because at this point, velocity is in horizontal direction, only in x direction. Then we know that if any vector is in x direction, its y component is 0. So yes, this condition you have to remember. At maximum height, y component of velocity is 0. At maximum height, at maximum height, Vy is equal to 0. Clear about this? See, it is different from vertically upward motion. Yes, in chapter 3 we have discussed when object is thrown in vertically upward direction, then its maximum height, its velocity becomes 0. Yes, this statement we have used, okay? Because when we throw in vertically upward direction, it has only one component, that is Vy. And yes, at maximum height, that Vy becomes 0. Okay, so remember, in projectile motion, at maximum height, velocity is not 0. Y component of velocity is 0. It has some x component. Okay, so yes, at maximum height, Vy is equal to 0. What is equation of Vy? Here it is. Vy is equal to V0 sin theta 0 minus Gt. So yes, put here value. V0 sin theta 0, V0 sin theta 0 minus Gtm is equal to 0. How? At maximum height, Vy is equal to 0. At that time, T is equal to Tm. So yes, this thing you have to remember. Clear about this? So yes, time to reach maximum height, you have to use this condition. At maximum height, Vy is equal to 0. T is equal to Tm. So V0 sin theta 0 minus Gtm. So V0 sin theta 0 is equal to Gtm. Make Tm as subject, then Tm is equal to V0 sin theta 0 upon G. It is equation of time to reach maximum height. Clear about this? Now remember, if object is thrown in vertically upward direction, then for vertically upward direction, see in figure, here it is. Vertically upward direction means object is thrown in this direction, vertically upward. So with x-axis it makes angle theta is equal to 90 degree. Yes or no? So put value in this equation. Then Tm is equal to, it is V0 sin 90 upon G. What is value of sin 90? Yes, it is 1. Then Tm is equal to, it is V0 upon G. Remember, this result we have obtained in chapter number 3 for vertically upward motion. Yes, same result, V0 upon G. Clear about this? So yes, first we have to find time to reach maximum height. Now we will find what is maximum height. Okay, see, maximum height, it is denoted by capital H. Maximum height is denoted by capital H. Now see, how to find maximum height? We know that what is time to reach maximum height? It is Tm. Then obviously, when T is equal to Tm, when T is equal to Tm, means time to achieve maximum height. Then height means which coordinate? X coordinate or Y coordinate? Yes, it is Y coordinate. Height means Y coordinate. So when time T is equal to Tm, Y is equal to H. Then yes, in equation of Y, you have to replace Y by H and T by Tm. Yes, where is equation of Y? Here it is. Y is equal to, see, first of all I will write equation. Y is equal to V0 sin theta 0t minus half gt square. In this equation, first of all, Y is replaced by H. Yes. V0 sin theta 0, T is replaced by Tm, minus half G, T is replaced by Tm. Clear about this? So yes, you have to remember this condition. Okay, when t is equal to tm, y is equal to h. Now put value, see, h is equal to, it is v0 sine theta 0. What is value of tm? Tm means v0 sine theta 0 upon g minus half g. Tm square means v0 square sine square theta 0 upon g square. Clear about this? Now simplify this term. See, h is equal to v0 square sine theta sine square theta 0 upon g minus 1 g cut 1 g cut. So it is v0 square sine square theta 0 upon 2g. Now see how to simplify this. H is equal to v0 sine square theta 0 upon g. v0 square sine square theta 0 upon g. v0 square sine square theta 0 g common in bracket. Yes, v0 sine square theta 0 upon g whole term is common, so it is 1. Here it will remain only by 1 minus 1 by 2, it is 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2, it is 1 by 2. Then what is equation of maximum height? v0 square sine square theta 0 upon 2g. It is equation of maximum height. It is equation of maximum height. Clear about this? Clear about this? Okay, again we have derived one equation in chapter number 3. For vertically upward direction, theta is equal to 90. For vertically upward direction, if we throw object in vertically upward direction, then for vertically upward direction, theta is equal to 90. Put 90 in this equation, sine 90. Yes, it is 1. And 1 square it is 1. So what you will get? You will get h is equal to v0 square upon 2g. That we have obtained in chapter number 3. Clear? So yes, now you have to remember these equations. Time to reach maximum height. What is equation of maximum height? Clear about this? Yes. These questions may be asked separately for 2 marks. Okay, find time to reach maximum height. Find what is maximum height. Or one combined question also may be asked for 4 marks. Okay, write equation for projectile motion, then time to reach maximum height and maximum height. Another 2 terms are remaining that we will study. Okay, now next one is, see, what is time of flight? Next one is time of flight. Time of flight, it is denoted by TF. Time of flight is denoted by TF. Now what do you mean by time of flight? Time of flight. See, time of flight means from this point, object is thrown. Object is thrown. After this point, object is in air, and at this point it will return to ground. Yes or no? So yes, from this point to this point, object is in air, means object is flying. Object is flying, and this time to reach from this point to this point is called the time of flight. Okay, means during its journey, whatever time it takes, it is called the time of flight. It is called time of flight. So see, at time t is equal to 0, object is starting from this point. At this time, it will again hit the ground. So see, from this point, it is moving. Means it has some value of y coordinate. 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 When it will again hit the ground, its y coordinate will become 0. Its y coordinate will become 0. So yes, it is condition for time of flight. Okay, when y is equal to 0, that time is called time of flight. That time is called time of flight. Clear about this? Again, how to see? What is time of flight? Time taken by object to move from this point to this point. Okay, means the time during which it is in air, it is flying. Okay, so yes, it is flying from this point to this point. At this point, which variable will become 0? Obviously, it is its y coordinate. So it is condition when y is equal to 0, t is equal to tf. Now what is equation of y? Yes, we know that y is equal to v0 sine theta 0t minus half gt square. Minus half gt square. In this equation of y, put y is equal to 0 is equal to v0 sine theta 0, t is replaced by tf minus half g tf square. Okay, if you bring this half gtf square this side, then it is half g tf square is equal to v0 sine theta 0 tf. 1 tf cut. Now if you make this tf as subject, then this tf is equal to, it is v0 sine theta 0. See, v0 sine theta 0 this side, 2 in numerator and g in denominator. Then see, it is equation of time of flight. Tf is equal to 2 v0 sine theta 0 upon g. 2 v0 sine theta 0 upon g. Clear? So yes, you have to remember this equation. Now see, there is one interesting result. It is point of, yes, it is point of maximum height. You know this. It is point of maximum height. What is equation of maximum height? Time to reach maximum height. Yes, if you know Tm is equal to V0 sine theta 0 upon g. Yes or no? Yes, we have to. In equation of Tf, V0 sine theta 0 upon g, V0 sine theta 0 upon g, I can replace by Tm. So it becomes 2Tm. So yes, what is meaning of this equation? Tf is equal to 2Tm. Now what is Tm? Tm, time to reach maximum height. From this point to this point, whatever time it takes is called time to reach maximum height. Clear? What is Tf? Time of flight from this point to this point. And see, what is result? Time of flight is twice time to reach maximum height. Is twice time to reach maximum height. Means time taken by particle to reach maximum height is equal to time taken by particle to reach at the same level. Okay, if I say it is path of object, it takes 10 seconds to move from this ground to maximum height, then yes, from this maximum height to again ground at the same level, it will take 10 seconds. Clear about this? Means time of ascending is equal to time of descending. Clear about this? So yes, this point you have to remember. Yes, also in case of vertically upward motion, if this chalk takes 10 seconds to move up to maximum height, then from that height it will take 10 seconds to reach at the same level. Clear about this? So yes, this point you have to remember. Okay, and yes, as it takes same time from here to here, if it takes 10 seconds, then from maximum height to ground at the same level, it will take 10 seconds. It is meaning of this equation. Clear about this? Okay, now as it takes same time, magnitude of velocity will be same. See how? V0, it's two component. V0x in this direction and V0y in this direction. If object returns to the same height, means at this point, to the same height, at this point, yes, velocity is in direction of tangent, means in this direction. And now, if I resolve this velocity in two components, what happens? See, if I resolve this velocity in two components, its first x component will be in this direction, y component will be in this direction. In last lecture we have discussed at each and every point horizontal x component of velocity remains same, means this component is v0x. But what about this component? Yes, it is minus v0y. It is minus v0y. Here it is v0y. Here it will become minus v0y. Clear about this? So yes, this point you have to remember. This point you have to remember. Clear about this? Okay, so yes, it is about time of flight. You have to remember this equation. Tf is equal to 2 times time to reach maximum height. Now last one is range. Last one is range. What is range? Range is indicated by capital R. Range is indicated by capital R. Now what do you mean by range? What do you mean by range? Range means up to which distance? Up to which distance? That is effect. Yes, you know maybe word range of Wi-Fi. Yes, range of Wi-Fi is limited up to some region. Yes or no? Yes. Network, it is also limited up to some region. Yes. So range means, yes, it is one type of limit. See here, what is meaning of range? Here, if I throw object from this point and it again comes back to ground at this point, yes or no? Then it is called its range. It is called its range. Means this horizontal distance traveled is called range. Horizontal distance traveled is called range. And horizontal distance means which coordinate? X coordinate or Y coordinate? Yes, it is X coordinate. Yes, it is X coordinate. Okay. So yes, see this distance is called range. Now see, from this point to this point, it takes time Tf. It takes time Tf. Okay, so during this time, what is this horizontal distance? It is called range. During this time means when T is equal to Tf, when T is equal to Tf, at that time x is equal to r. Okay, at that time x is equal to r. Okay, so yes, in equation of x, what is equation of x? Yes, x is equal to v0 cos theta 0 t. X is replaced by r, v0 sin theta, cos theta 0 t is replaced by tf. Clear about this? Okay, so r is equal to v0 cos theta 0. What is value of tf? Tf is equal to v0 sin theta 0 upon g. Now we will rearrange this. See how to rearrange. R is equal to v0, so it is v0 square. Cos theta 0 to sin theta 0. I will write this equation as 2 sin theta 0 cos theta 0 divided by g. Okay, so yes, R is equal to, it is v0 square. 2 sin theta cos theta. You have to remember one transformation. 2 sin theta cos theta, it is sin 2 theta. It is sin 2 theta. Yes, it is one equation that you have to remember. 2 sin theta cos theta, if angle is same, 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta is equal to sin 2 theta. So yes, it is equation of range. It is equation of range. Clear about this? Okay, so yes, you have to remember 4 equations. Now see, in this equation of range, yes, you may take some observations. Okay, what about this range? If you throw object at different angles, if you throw object in horizontal direction at 10 degree, at 20 degree, at 30, 40, 45, 60, whatever, okay, then in each and every case, this range will be different. So yes, you may ask me one question, sir, at which angle range will be maximum? At which angle range will be maximum. So yes, we will prove this thing mathematically. We will prove this thing mathematically. R is equal to V0. Okay, if during each and every case speed is same. Speed is same. Okay, initial speed is same. G to constant that. Okay, so V and G they are constant. Then this value of R depends on sine 2 theta. Value of R depends on sine. Value of R depends on sine. Now sine, it is one trigonometric function which its region is from -1 to 1. Means its maximum value is 1. What is maximum value of sine? 1. What is maximum value of sine? It is 1. Okay, so if I am taking sine 2 theta 0 is equal to 1, its maximum value, then yes, this range will become maximum. That is R maximum. That is R maximum. Now sine 2 theta 0 is equal to 1. You know for which angle value of sine is 1? Pi by 2. So yes, how to write? See, sine, it is 2 theta 0 is equal to, it is pi by 2. Clear about this? Sine 2 theta 0 is equal to 1. For which angle value of sine is equal to 1? It is pi by 2. Now make theta 0 as subject. Theta 0 is equal to, it is pi by 4. Or yes, you can say theta 0 is equal to, it is 45 degree. 45 degree. So yes, here it is your answer. If you throw object at 45 degree, its range will be maximum. Its range will be maximum. So yes, here you have to remember this condition. If theta 0 is equal to 45 degree, range is maximum. Range is maximum. Clear about this? Okay, put in equation R maximum is equal to, yes, V0 square. Here it is sine 2 45 divided by G. 2 into 45 is sine 90, and sine 90 is 1. It is V0 square upon G. So yes, you have to remember this equation also. It is equation of range. It is equation of maximum range. Okay, up to which maximum horizontal distance? Up to which horizontal maximum distance we can throw any object? We can throw any object. At some angle I can throw chalk, yes, at this much horizontal distance. But at 45 degree angle, if I throw this chalk, it will goes up to maximum range, maximum horizontal distance. Clear about this? So yes, it is, yes, projectile motion is one important theory, and these 4 cases, they are also important. Time to reach maximum height, time of flight, and what is range. Now in next lecture, we will solve some questions based on projectile motion.